Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know that we were on exercise 6.4, and from exercise 6.4 we have done um, we were doing we were doing division, okay, and देखिए in the we have already done up to question number 14. So today now we are going to start with question number 15. Okay, so I'm just writing the topic here, that is exercise 6.4. This was the exercise that we were doing in the last session, and in this session we have completed up to question number 14. So now we will start with question number 15. Okay. So the heading for the question number 15 is divide and find the quotient and the remainder. Divide and find the quotient and the remainder. चलिए, so the number is, we have to divide 42,033 by 86. We have to divide 42,033 by 86. Okay, 42,033 divided by 86. So we have to divide these two numbers. Chaliye. So let's divide it with the long division method. Okay, that is 42,033 divided by 86. तो देखिए, सो आपको इसके लिए 86 का टेबल देखिए नहीं लर्न कर पाएंगे तो बेटा इसमें ऐड ऑन कर करके यू कैन डू द डिवीजन. सो जैसे कि 86 1 are 86, 86 2 are 6 are 12, 2 8 is 16. या तो ऐसे कर सकते हैं, या तो 86 प्लस 86 12, that is 172. 86 ones are 86 ones are 86, 86 twos are 172, 86 threes are plus करके 8 5 1, that is 3. ओके, चाहो तो ऐसे टेबल लिख लिख के भी आप कर सकते हो. तो हमें चाहिए 86 चाहिए where you can get 420 or less than 420. So that will be at 4. देखिए कैसे, 258 plus 86, that is 14, 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14, 1, that is 3. So 18 fours are 86 fours are 344 plus 86, 6 fours are 24, sorry 6 plus 4 10, 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13, that is 4 30. Okay, I think I have done some calculation mistake, that is 12 by 6 7 plus 8 15 plus 1 is 25, 14 5 plus 8 13 14 plus 1 3. Okay, that is 5. तो देखिए 86 ones are 86, 86 twos are 172, 86 threes are 258, 86 fours are 344 and 86 fives are 430. But we need 420 or less than 420. So in that case, we will move to 86 fours are 344. 86 fours are 344. Okay, so 10 minus 4, this will be 10, 1 3 11. 10 minus 4 6, 11 minus 4 7, 3 minus 3 0. So 420 minus 344, we got 76. Now let's down the next number, that is 3. Now the number became 763. तो देखिए 86 के टेबल में हमें 763 है, उससे कम देखना है. सो दैट इज एट 86 8s are 688. 86 8s are 688. 86 8s are 688. So let's subtract it. This will be 13, 15, 6. 13 minus 8, 5. 15 minus 8, 7. 6 minus 6, 0. So 763 minus 688, that is 75. Now bring down the next number, that is also 3. So the number became 653. Again 86 8s are 688. Okay, this is 13, 4. 13 minus 8, 5. This will be 14, this will be 6. 14 minus 8, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So 753 minus 688, this is 65. Okay. Now we don't have any other number in the dividend, so that means 65 is our remainder. तो लिखिए quotient. The quotient is equal to 488 and the remainder is equal to 65. Quotient is equal to 488 and the remainder is equal to 65. This is the solution of question number 15. Okay, so you can pause your videos here and note down this question number 15 in your notebooks. Okay, next let's move to the next question. Okay, the next is question number 16, 7 and 18. उसके देखिए क्या heading दी है. Divide and find the quotient and the remainder. Check the answer as well. So we have to divide the given numbers and then we have to check the answer. Okay, जैसे check the answer के लिए what we will do beta, we will apply the same formula that we have done, that we have used while doing the division by one digit number. जब हमने division by one digit number पे जो formula use किया था वही formula हम यहाँ भी use करेंगे. Okay, that is dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Okay, so let's move to the question number 16. देखिए थोड़े बड़े बड़े numbers हैं, इनका टेबल आप मुझे पता नहीं लर्न होगा, तो आप उसको ऐड ऑन करके जैसे मैंने अभी आपको करके दिखाया था, सो यू कैन डू दी कैलकुलेशन. ओके, चलिए डिवाइड क्वेश्चन है डिवाइड फाइंड दी quotient. Divide, find the quotient and remainder. Full stop. Then you have to check your answer. Okay, then we have to check the answer as well. So the question number is 16. So we have to divide 35,487 by 65. 35,487 by 65. Okay, so let's do division. So we have to divide 35,487 with 65. 35,487 divided by 65. So let's do the division here. 35,487 divided by 65. So now we have to divide it. देखिए 65 का टेबल थोड़ा आपको लिखना पड़ेगा बेटा, then you can do the division. So I'll just do it here. So 65 fives are 65 fives are is 325. 325. Okay, so 365 fives are 325. 4 minus 5 not possible. 4 will borrow from here. This will become 4. This will become 14. 14 minus 5 9. 4 minus 2 2 0. Bring down 8. This is 298. So now we have to divide 298 with 65, and we have to read the table of 65 where you get 298 or less than 298. So 65 fours are 260. 65 fours are 260. 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 6, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. So 298 minus 260, that is 38. Now bring down the next number in the dividend, that is 7. That is 7. So now the number is 387. And now again we have to read the table of 65 where you will get 387 or less than 387. So that can be 65 fives are 325. 7 minus 5 2. 8 minus 2 6. 3 minus 3 0. So now next we don't have any other number in the dividend. That means this is the remainder. This is our remainder. The remainder is 62. So देखिए remainder is 62, quotient is 545, dividend is 35,487 and the divisor is 65. So but we are going to write the quotient and the remainder here as well. क्योंकि देखो quotient में क्या लिखा हुआ है? In the quotient it is given divide and find the quotient and remainder. तो पहले हमने divide किया, then we have to find the quotient and remainder. So that means we have to write it separately. तो लिखिए quotient is equal to 545. Next is remainder. Remainder is equal to 62. Quotient is equal to 545, whereas the remainder is equal to 62. देखिए divide किया, then find the quotient and remainder, that we have already found. Next we have to check the answer as well. अब हमें अपना answer check करना है. So for checking the answer, what we are going to do is we are going to use the formula that we have done in the division by 1 digit number. Okay. So क्या formula था? सोचिए. So for checking our answer, we will apply dividend is equal to divisor. Quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Okay. For checking the answer, to check the answer, we will apply the formula that is dividend is equal to quotient. Dividend is equal to quotient multiply divisor quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Dividend, okay, so you have to use this, okay. Dividend is equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. So this formula we will use here. Now we have to apply the values of this given number. इसकी values हम put करेंगे. So we will just simply put the values of the given terms. Dividend. So what is the dividend? Dividend is 35,487. That is equal to, will be as it is, quotient. What is the quotient? The quotient is 545. Multiply will be this. Divisor. What is the divisor? The divisor is 65 plus remainder. So what is the remainder? That is 62. So now we have put the values of all the terms. Dividend is equal to 35,487 is equal to, quotient is 545, divisor is 65 and the remainder is 62. Now next what we have to do is we have to simply do the calculation. अब हमें simple calculation करनी है. Okay, so dividend will be as it is 35,487 is equal to, so 545 multiplied by 65. So this will be the first calculation. So you can show this calculation as well in the graph here. 545 multiplied 65. So you can show this one as well. So 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22, 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. Next, put across here, 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 will be carried above, 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27, 7, 2 will be carried above, 6 5s are 30 plus 2, this is 32, 2, this is 32. Now just calculate after multiplication the product. This is 5, 2, 7 plus 7, 14, 1 will be carried above, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, this is 5 and 3. So after multiplication we got the product 35,425. तो इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट लिखिए 35,425. Okay, this is the product of these two. इन दोनों को multiply करके we got 35,425. So now we have to add the number that is plus remainder. What is the remainder? Remainder is 62 plus 62. So now we have to add these two. Okay, so इसको messages लिखेंगे 35,487 is equal to, now we will add these two. अब इन दोनों को ऐड कर दीजिए, मैं इसी के नीचे ही ऐड कर रही हूँ प्लस 62, 5 plus 2 7, 6 plus 2 8, this is 4, 5, 3. So after doing the addition we got 35,487. 35,487. So now as you can see they both are same. अब ये दोनों क्या है? They both are same. So that means our solution, our division is correct. जब हमारे ये दोनों सेम आ जाते हैं, दिस इज द मेथड दैट यू कैन सी दैट यू हैव डन द करेक्ट डिवीजन और नॉट. अब हमारे दोनों सेम आ गए, so that means the division is absolutely correct. Okay, so this is how we are going to do the division, find the equation and remainder, and then check the answer. So this is the solution of question number 16. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. चलिए, moving next to the question number 17. So now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 17. So question number 17 is as this same, divide, find the equation and remainder, and then check your answer. So let's write down question number 17. So in question number 17 we have to divide 56,703 by 41. 56,703 by 41. इसको इससे डिवाइड करें. ओके, 56,703 divided by 41. So let's divide it. So first of all we are going to do the division. So सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, we will divide. We are going to do the division. 56,703 divided by 41. Okay, so let's divide it. 41 ones are 41. 41 ones are 41. Okay, so let's divide it. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. Now bring down the next number, that is 7. So now we have to read the table of 41 where you will get 157 or less than 157. So in the table of 41 you will get 41 threes are 123. 41 multiplied by 3 is 123. Now let's subtract them as well. 7 minus 3, 4. 5 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So 157 minus 123 is 34. Next, now bring down the next number, that is 0. This is 340 now. So now we have to divide 340 with 41. 340 divided by 41. So 41 का table use करिए where you can get 340 or less than 340. तो देखिए 41 8s are 328. 41 8s are 328. Okay, so let's subtract it. Okay, this is 10, 3. 10 minus 8, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 3, 0. We got 12. So after subtracting 328 from 340, we got 12. Now bring down the next number, that is 3. That is 3. Okay. So now we have to read the table of 41 जहाँ हमें 123 है उससे कम मिले. देखिए आपको याद होगा यहाँ हमने 123 किया था, that is at 3. So that means 41 3s are 123. So that nothing is left in the remainder. Nothing is left in the remainder. So now we have to write the quotient and remainder. Okay, now we have done the division. Now we have to write the quotient and remainder. Divide हमने कर लिया, find the quotient and remainder, so that's why we will write it separately. So what is the quotient? The quotient is 1383 and the remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 1383 and the remainder is 0. Now the third step is check your answer. Now we have to check the division as well. So that we will check by applying the formula, that is of check. The formula is dividend is equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Okay, so now let's put the value of these, that is 56,703. Dividend is equal to 56,703. Then quotient, what is the quotient? That is 1383. Quotient is 1383 multiply divisor. So what is the divisor? The divisor is 41. This is 41 plus remainder. So what is the remainder? The remainder is 0. Okay, so plus 0. Now we have to do the calculation. अब हमें क्या करना है? Calculation. 56,703. So first of all, let's multiply these two, and that we can do in the rough and show it as well. 1,383 multiplied 41. 1 3s are 3, 1 8s are 8, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 5. Now multiply 4 with 1,383. 4 3s are 12. 1 4 8s are 32 plus 1 33. 4 3s are 12, 13 and plus 3, that is 15. Okay, 4 3s are 12 plus 1, that is 15. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, this is 5. So now let's find out. 3 plus, this is 3, 8 plus 2, 10. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, that is 7. 5 plus 1, 6, and this is 5. So after multiplying 1,383 with 41, we got 56,703 plus 0. 0 plus करेंगे तो that will be as it is 56,703. So now as you can see, they both are equal. So as you can see, they both are equal. Okay, so जब हमारे दोनों equal आ जाते हैं, that means our answer is correct. Okay, so this is how we can check our answers, so whether we have done the correct division or not. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 17. So you can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Now we are left with only one question of exercise 6.4, that is question number 18. And this question we will discuss in the next session. Okay, so for today I'm ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.